If you do these 10 things I'm going to tell you right now in this video, I promise you, you are going to get a yes from that lady you've been looking at, from that young, fine, beautiful girl that you want to ask out. Listen guys, sometimes you just need to know the right things to do and the right words to say. So I promise you, just watch this video till the end and you will definitely know how to ask a lady the right way, and she would definitely say yes. And even if she doesn't say yes, she's so going to be your close friend, I bet you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a video on how to ask a lady out. This will make her say yes to you, I promise you. I'm a lady and I know the things that get us ladies to be so excited and to be so happy and to want to be, somebody's girlfriend or things like that. So without further ado, let's get right into it. But wait, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So the first tip I have for you guys, the male watching me this video right now, is know the kind of lady you want. It is very, very serious. This first point, most of you guys, you don't know what you want. Okay, you just want a lady. Anyone that says yes to you, that's the one you go for. No. Listen, know exactly what you want. Know the kind of lady that you want. I'm not even talking about the physical attributes of a lady. I'm talking about maybe the character traits you want to see, or at least let her be, this kind, this beautiful, or this body type, or things like that. But just know exactly what you want. Listen, there's power in knowing what you want. When you know what you want, you'll be surprised, you'll be attracted to all those kinds of things are going to keep coming your way. So the first thing I have for you, know the kind of lady that you want. Be very, very specific of the type of girl you want to date. The second point is make sure you are taking care of yourself. Now, I don't want to sound somehow, but listen guys, see, no lady will want to be approached by someone that is not looking good. I'm not saying you should have all the money in the world, but at least take care of your body, take care of your scent, take care of your mouth, take care of your hair, take care of the things you wear. Let them be neat, ironed, polished and things like that. You must not come with a car to every lady, but at least look good, smell nice. Little things actually matter. Listen, ladies are essentially the same. Ladies, no matter the class, no matter the educational level, ladies are essentially the same. If you know the right things to do, okay, you are really going to get the girl you want. So the second point is take care of yourself. All right, do not be nonchalant about your physical appearances. Know how to dress. Please don't wear don't just match colors anyhow. Just dress moderately and dress very, very classy and excellent. So the third point is do not approach her immediately you see her. Alright, this point I know is very hard for you to do, but then do not approach her immediately you see her. You can wait and study her for at least for a few days, weeks, or even months, depending on your patience. Alright, okay, do not ask her for her number that day you set your eyes on her, unless you won't see her again and you are very, very sure that you are not going to see her again. If that is a situation, okay, you can ask for her number. But listen, what you're going to do is, if she's somebody that's kind of close to you, or you know that she stays in an environment where you get to see her probably weekly or every day, the first day you see her, do not ask her for a number that day. Do not make it so obvious to her that you like her. Ladies want a mysterious guy. That's a secret actually. Ladies like a guy that they know that the guy likes them, and the guy is not really pushing, I want your number, can we go out, can we do this? And the lady will be, okay, when is he going to ask me my number? Why isn't he asking for my number? Why isn't he doing this? And I know he likes me, So I want you guys to do that. Be very mysterious to her, but do not be harsh to her, okay? So whenever you see her, maybe you saw her the first time, do not approach her that day. And if you have the opportunity to help her to do something that day, please do it. Guys, this is the best opportunity to get her attention. If you have, if you see her maybe in need of a help that you can provide, just casually provide it, pick something for her, help her do this, help her do something. Ladies like guys that help them do stuffs, even if they can do it, even if they look all strong and all of that, they still like guys, that help them do things. So do not collect her number that day, please, except you're not going to see her again, except probably maybe you met her in a vehicle and she's going to leave. You can try. Okay, now the fourth point is, if you are a spiritual person, make sure you pray and you are very sure. Now this point is for all those my guys that are so spiritual, they want the will of God in their life, of course, but then prayer and fasting will not really get a lady to say yes to you. It just keeps you protected, in order not to go into something that will destroy your life. That's why I put this point here. So moving on, the next point, which is the fifth point, is women love sweet words no matter who they are. I mentioned earlier that ladies are essentially the same. Okay, men are moved by what they see, women are moved by what they hear. Listen to me, guys. If you get an opportunity to talk to a lady, make sure you say something nice to her. I don't really like guys who when they see a beautiful lady and they know that, okay, this lady gets compliments all the time, they want to make her feel less than she is. I don't know where that mentality came from. What's wrong with you? You see a beautiful lady and all you want to do is make her feel that she's not beautiful because she has been getting compliments from other guys. If you don't want to compliment her, leave her alone. But if this is a lady you want her to say yes to you, you have to compliment her. Listen, guys, no matter what, ladies love sweet words. Now the sixth point I have for you is, when you get her attention, compliment something about her you have noticed very quickly. Try at least to make her smile or even laugh. Listen, you have gone a very high percentage when you make a lady smile, especially when you get her to laugh. Oh my god, I'm not going to lie to you, most of the people that are very close to me that are male, maybe the people that have tried to get my number, the first day they met me, there's a high percentage of those that have given my number out to that made me smile or made me to laugh or made me to feel good, even if the communication did not last long, but at least that thing alone is going to move her to give her number to you. So make her to smile or make her to laugh. Tell her hair looks very beautiful, or don't start saying things like, without you the sun will not rise that day. Please don't make it so obvious that you're desperate. Don't make it so obvious that you are lying to her or things like that. Just make it less. Make it to be very natural. You can say something like, "Oh, your earrings are very beautiful," or something like that. So the next point I have for you is, oh God, this one is kind of touching. If she rejects you, just hold up your pride, smile, thank her for her time, and leave. Listen. Oh God. There are some people you go and meet, guys, and she'll really treat you bad. I don't know why ladies do that, but she might treat you bad. She might say no, that she can't give you a number. That's not the end of the world, okay? What you're going to do is just smile, thank her, say thank you for your time. It is going to make her feel bad, I promise you. Listen, people that have not given my number to, and at the end of everything, they still tell me, oh, thank you, it's okay, have a nice day. Whenever I'm leaving, I feel like, oh God, I think I should have given this person my number or giving him, an attention or things like that. So still be nice and polite to the person. And if it's a lady you really like, just hold that pride you have and leave. It might occur to her to even call you back or something like that. And she might even apologize. Who knows? The next point, which is number 8, is if you get her number, don't call her immediately. Oh God, guys, you make this mistake. No lady will want you to start calling her every minute of the day just because you got her number. In fact, I think there's an old trick that guys do. When a guy gets a lady's number, sometimes the guy will not even call her for 2 days. Then what he will do is just to send a text. So send a text to her, thanking her and also asking her when you should call her. It shows that you have class. It shows that you value her time. it shows that you respect her own opinion. And if it is a lady that is very intelligent, she's going to pick up that trait from you, and she's really going to like you the more. So don't call her immediately, except you want to be like, this is my own number, save it or something like that. But if you get her number, if she gives you her number, do not call her immediately. Just send her a text, just thank her, okay, this is me, I want to thank you for your time and things like that. If she replies, fine. If she doesn't reply, just give her a few time, then you call her. Don't call her in the night, don't call her early in the morning. Please don't call her early in the morning. Do not call her in the night. Call her probably during the day or in the cool of the evening or something like that. So the number 9 thing after you've gotten her number is build friendship from there, and after a while make your intentions known. If you want to ask a lady out, do not tell her you want her to be your girlfriend maybe 2 days after you got her number. Try to be her friend, try to get to know her, try to and I'm actually saying this to guys that do not want to play with a lady's heart. Please, this is not a video for you if you want to play with somebody's emotions. I'm making this video for people who are really are serious about getting a lady that will lead to marriage or something like that. So build friendship from there, and then after a while you can make the intentions known. As a guy, I know you are going to be so wise enough to know when a lady is really falling for you, due to the things you say to her and the things you do for her. When is the right time to say I really want to date you or things like that. But don't make it too fast. Be her friend first. Listen to her and communicate with her regularly. Do not just jump into the fact that be my girlfriend or things like that, or be my wife. Are you kidding me? So that's not going to happen. So the 10th point I have for you is do not stop doing those things you did before she said yes to you. If she finally says yes to you after being her friend, after being very close to her, and you ask her out and she says yes, do not stop doing those things. Listen, ladies want to be chased even after you've caught them. Listen, even a married woman will still want her husband to still chase her, that kind of a thing. So do not stop, do not stop telling her she's beautiful. Do not stop complimenting on anything she does. Do not stop being the chaser even when you have her. Listen, guys, I know I said 10 points, but I'm going to add one more. This 11 points. Tell me thank you after you have her as your lady, because I'm going to be waiting for you in this channel. Come back after you've tried these 10 tips. Let me know if it worked out, because these are essentially the things you should do when you want to ask a lady out. Do not just rush and say, be my girlfriend. Be her friend first. If she rejects you, do not just keep pushing and pushing. Just hold your pride and leave. So I don't know if you have other tips for other guys out there who are going to watch this video. Leave it down in the comment section below so that they get to know how to ask ladies out. If there are new tips that I don't know about, leave it down and let us know what are the new things happening. But these are essentially the basics of what you should do. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.